Imagine waking up to a world where the air is thick with plastic floating in the oceans, covering the land. This isn't a nightmare, it is our reality. Plastics, once heralded as the material of the future, are now choking our planet. Every piece of plastic ever made still exists today. We've been drowning in this synthetic material, especially in food packaging, which is designed to be disposable, but it never truly disappears. It stays, piling up, poisoning our environment. You cannot see the true scale of the problem until you zoom out. Over 8 million tons of plastic end up in our oceans every year, suffocating marine life. This isn't just an ocean issue, it's a food chain problem. Plastic is everywhere. Plastic packaging might be cheap, convenient, and durable, but the cost? Irreplaceable damage to our planet. For every snack bag, plastic bottle, and takeout container, we leave behind an environmental scar that'll last for centuries. The ecosystems that we depend on are in jeopardy. Plastics leach harmful chemicals into the soil and water, disrupting ecosystems. If we continue down this path, the planet we know may soon become unrecognizable. So now, imagine a world where food packaging doesn't harm the earth, where the materials we use decompose, regenerate, and contribute to the environment instead of taking from it. This is the promise of sustainable packaging. This idea isn't from a science fiction, it is sustainable engineering. By designing food packaging that is eco-friendly, biodegradable, and recyclable, we can reduce waste and close the loop. But how do we make this dream a reality? Biodegradable plastics made from cornstarch or seaweed could be the solution we've been waiting for. These materials break down naturally, leaving no toxic residue. Imagine wrapping your food in something that vanishes back into the earth. And also, what if your food packaging could be part of your meal? Edible packaging? Yes, you can eat it. Made from ingredients like seaweed or rice, it eliminates waste while offering a new, fun way to engage with packaging. It's food for thought, literally. Plant-based plastics derived from renewable resources like sugarcane and potatoes are another game changer. These plastics can be decomposed and are less toxic to the environment. We are talking about turning crops into solutions and not just food. However, sustainable materials are still more expensive than plastic. The technology is new and the mass production hasn't caught up yet. Right now, it's like driving a sports car, fast but costly. How do we make it affordable for everyone? Now what if we shifted our thinking? What if we viewed the cost of sustainable packaging as an investment in the future? Governments and businesses need to step in, offering subsidies and incentives to make sustainable packaging mainstream. Meanwhile, consumers are the silent superheroes of this story. Your choices matter. When you choose products with eco-friendly packaging, you send a powerful message to brands and manufacturers. Your wallet is a weapon for the planet. Even the best intentions can fall short. Recycling is not the perfect answer. It's not enough to rely on a system that is broken. We need better infrastructure, better materials, and a society that values the life cycle of packaging, not just its convenience. No one can fix this alone. It is time for industries, scientists, and government to come together. The more we collaborate, the faster we can innovate and bring sustainable packaging to the forefront of the food industry. We need to stop thinking of packaging as disposable. Let us shift our mindset. It's a part of a system. Every piece of packaging can either contribute to or disrupt a system. It's time to rethink design, material choice, and product life cycle. Now picture this. Every item you buy, whether it's your morning coffee, snack, or takeout, comes in packaging that is fully recyclable or compostable. the waste from that package goes back into the earth, not to a landfill or the ocean that suffocates not just the life in it, but also the ecosystem. Sure that the road to sustainable packaging isn't easy, but that's the beauty of it. Challenges force us to innovate, to think creatively. We can overcome these obstacles with new technologies, smarter design, and a collective will to change. We are standing at a crossroads. The choices we make today will define the world we live in tomorrow. Will we continue to bury our heads in the sand, or will we take bold actions to create a cleaner and a greener future for everyone? Hey Earthlings, now is the time to act. Start by making small, impactful changes. Reduce, reuse, and choose products with sustainable packaging. Speak up, support green brands, and demand change from governments and industries. Together, we can turn the tide on plastic waste.